Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem of any Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out about phone or about device. Tap on it. Tap on software information. Now tap on the build number for the 7 times to enable the developer option. In my case, I already enabled the developer options. After your developer option is enabled, move back from here and open the developer option. Scroll down and find out Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Turn on Sensors Off. After that, move back from here. Tap on Apps. Now search for camera. Tap on it. Tap on Full Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache and clear the data. Tap OK. Move back and tap on Permission. Allow all the permissions one by one. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your camera app. I hope your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.